We didn't hear each other a long time. I'm now in forest. It's Saturday afternoon in Germany. Weather is wow. Usually here it's not good. It's shit weather here on the north. And now a little bit walking, a little bit in nature. This corona stuff make people, make them to love nature. Yes, and this time I'm alone. I'm without my wife. Yes. Yeah, here. How is the situation now? How living going on the north? Nothing special. It's a little bit boring. Almost every day is the same. Who is more afraid? He's in some isolation or something. This is for me. This is not the option. I love nature. I live normal, like before. And yeah, it have here a lot of panic. Germany, especially old people and who watch a lot of television, they are in panic. And now from 29 April, the mask will be obligation to put mask. And this I don't believe so much in this stuff, but okay. Yeah, look this nature, look this, it's wonderful here. It's we don't have so much forest here, but this one is unique and it's very, very nice. For example, here. Що? Скажи. Це круг. Little bit training is also good. Yeah, who is not, but in home also, who is in isolation, he can also make some training. We was make now 3 series from press ups, and it's good for us because in home every day it's not healthy, make depression. And my advice is to go outside, some lakes, forest, anywhere, streets. Even street is better than home. Yeah, we have computer, telephones, and but this get boring also after some time. Yeah. Here, how Germans in this, how they react on this stuffs, what's happening now. They listen to government and this stuff, and they believe in this. But always it's not 100% they believe in this reason. This. Okay, of course, everybody is careful. They make panic with this media stuff. But what I see on the street and this, I don't need to be panic. If this just news make this. For example, I don't watch news, and I'm not in panic. My whole family, they live normal like before. Just for example, in shops, it's missing some ingredients. Some stuffs, for example, sugar, wheat, and yeah, these stuffs for bread and this, because people will start to panic, and they buy now almost all. Toilet paper was missing, and now come again. But this with toilet paper, I don't understand. But is this most important stuff? I think so. First stuff is to eat something. Toilet paper, you can wash yourself or something with water. But okay, 100 people, 100 opinions. It's like this. Yeah, maybe you hear these birds here. This make me, this is the best music in nature, in the world, when you hear birds, it's something, This is my advice for you, to put some, if you're at home, something on YouTube, some nice music. Some relaxing music, like forest, relaxing music. This can help to relax yourself. And but I love this live. Live is always better. Like concert. I have now free concert. Yeah. Here they will start to make some something like for Indians, I don't know, some tent. They would start, but they didn't finish. Yeah, we come here sometimes to sit and to take sun, because here on the north, it's not enough sun. That means not enough vitamin D, and it's very bad for organism, for body, because this is something that you need for bones and to feel good, you know. Because when no sun, nothing, then you are in bad mood. That's not good. That's why here people taking pills. They have vitamin, but it's better when you take this from the sun, when it's natural. That's more, that's better. Yeah. And what to say? Yeah, for us also here, it's boring a little bit, but what? We're waiting this all to open. I'm missing traveling. They close all airspace. All, nothing go. I don't see any airplane, for example. Nothing. Look, zero. But it's nice sky, nice here today. Usually is rain. But from start, when they was cut this traffic, I don't know if this have connection, but from time when this was cutted, all these airplanes when was down on the ground, it's here is nice weather, no rain almost. But before this was 4 or 5 months just rain. I don't know if this have some connection. Yeah, this is this is for me. We didn't speak long time, maybe half year or something, or 1 year. Now this is my coming back. Yeah, we will make new videos. If you have something, some questions, some advices, anything, if you want, just write me in comments down, and we see each other next time. Bye bye. See you. Just to remind that press this subscribe and follow us in next videos. Subscribe is very important. Bye bye. Ciao.